Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to hide and hide threads shortcut on Instagram. So basically what you're going to do here is you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your Instagram application. Now to hide or unhide threads, you just have to simply tap on your profile and then tap on edit profile right here, scroll down, and you should see this show threads badge, and in order for you to hide your threads you just have to simply switch this one off, and if you want to unhide you just have to simply turn this one on. So basically that's how easy it is. You just have to turn this one on off. Now if you encounter some problems like you think it's not working, then it's about time to update your Instagram. So go to your Google Play Store and then search for Instagram. If you see the update button here, then you need to tap on the update button. And then once done, you're gonna exit your Google Play Store and then open your Instagram and do the same thing. So basically, that's how easy it is. All you need to do is to just go to your Instagram and then go to your profile, tap on edit profile right here, go to show threads badge, turn it on and off. So hiding the thread shortcut does not delete your threads account. It only removes the shortcut badge from your Instagram profile. So if you want to basically remove your threads, or if you want to remove your threads account on your Instagram, you need to fully delete your threads account. So I do really hope this video helped you. That's how to hide and hide thread shortcuts on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.